it's Allison, and today on Thinking Outside the Box, I'm going to be opening up this big box that Arteza sent me. It came in today's mail. I couldn't do it earlier because I had to go out. My daughter is getting braces, so we've been running to the orthodontist's office a lot, and I am back home now. I got food in my tummy, and now I'm ready to open this box. So I had to stand on a chair to start the filming of this because my camera is up so high because this box is so big I couldn't fit it all. So I am going to get down on this level, and I was thinking of using this craft knife to open this box, but there's certain people that don't seem to trust me opening boxes with it. I'm going to leave you nameless, and I'm just going to use some scissors. So I have not opened this box yet. I've been thinking about this box the whole time I was out, and was very excited to come home and to get into the studio and to be able to open it. So I'm going to turn it this way so that I can get this side. And I did it without cutting myself, although I may not have gotten all of it. Oh, I did. Okay, are we ready? Let me make sure that I'm still in camera shot. I gotta climb on a chair to do it. All right, looks good. All right, what do we have? Well, the first thing we have is a Happy Holidays card, and it says Happy Holidays, Love, Arteza. We got paper. Oh, yeah. The first thing we have are some brush pens, and these are in red colors. And here's some in green, perfect holiday colors, red and green. Very cool. And let's see what else. We have some blue Everblend art markers. Those are good snowflake colors. And pink fuchsia. Ooh, cool. So I have those. And oh, pretty. These look like glitters. They are. Look at that. I've got some projects that these are going to look beautiful in. One is fairy dust. Let me see if I can. It's kind of like a blues and purples, and the other one is iridescent, and that one's called Moonstone. Let's open these up instead of leaving them in the box. We need them outside the box. Ooh, that's pretty, pretty. Pretty sparkly stuff. Look at that. Oh my. Those are nice. Gotta have my sparkle. Love my sparkle. And this is the moon dust. Ooh, look at that. Iridescent. Very nice. And what else do we have? These are paints. Acrylic paints. This one is apricot. And this one is cobalt blue. And I'm so happy I got this cobalt blue because this is probably the blue that I'm going to be using in an upcoming project. So I don't need to search for that. And here we have, these are the metallic paints. And I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Gouache. Metallic gouache. Gouache. Let's see what these look like. And you get 12. Oh, these are pretty colors. There's gold and silver, bronze, pearl orange, pearl bubble, pearl scarlet. Ooh, pearl colors. These are the metallics. There's pearl purple, pearl aqua, emerald green, pearl, I want to say eucalyptus. Yeah. Pearl noir and pearl white. And those are also going to look great on an upcoming project. Then next we have, oh, these are little journals. Check that out. That's very cool. Can probably paint in these, write in them. These are nice. Get 3 of those. Oh yeah. These would be great for just doing art pages because it's nice thick board, so it's not going to bleed through. And look at that, there's a pocket back here to put things in, and it expands. That's very cool. Maybe do an art page a day. So I've got 3 of those. That's awesome. And this is, these look like watercolors. And it comes with a water brush. This is watercolors. Let's see if I can open it without cutting myself. Oh, look at this. Very cool. Not sure how this works. Oh, okay, they're all just wrapped on the top. So you get all these different colors. And I'm not sure how this works, but I'll figure it out. But anyway, you get several colors, 12 different colors. Very nice. Put that back in there. And that came with a water brush pen. You fill this with water, and then you've got your brush here. Very nice. Thank you, Arteza. Oh ho ho, look at this. A scratch pad. Remember the scratch notepad I had, and I did a little scratchy design and then turned it into a pendant? Well, here is a whole pad of them with the scratchers and the sharpener, and it has rainbow patterned sheets. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, Arteza. I'm going to get this box out of the way while I knock everything over off my desk. And this is amazing. Whoops. This is very amazing. This is Happy Holidays from Arteza. I appreciate it. I am definitely going to be using these in upcoming projects. This is everything that I can use. Nothing will go to waste. Everything can be used. So there it is. That's my unboxing from Arteza. And Arteza, I thank you very, very much. And that's it. I will be back later on this week with a new tutorial for you. And thanks for joining me. Gotta get up on my chair. Thank you. Bye.